How to fix the issue of your payment method being declined on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix the issue of your payment method being declined on your iPhone or iPad. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your credit card expiry date hasn't passed. If the card has expired, you will simply need to replace it with a new one. However, if the card is still valid and the expiry date is fine, let's move on to the solution. So, solution 1, that is to sign out and restart your device. For that, you simply have to go to your home screen, and from there you simply have to open the settings app. Once you are inside the settings app, you simply have to tap on your Apple ID profile at the top of your screen. And from there you simply have to scroll down and tap on sign out to log out of your Apple ID. And once you have signed out, simply power off your device and wait for at least 60 seconds, and after that you can turn your device back on and sign back to your Apple ID. And after signing in, check if your payment issue have been resolved. This method has worked for many Apple users, so give it a try. And with that, let's head to the second solution, that is to reset network settings. So if the first solution didn't work for you, let's move on the second one. So sometimes a network issue can cause problems with payments, and here is how you can reset your network settings. To do that, simply go to the settings app again, and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on general. And in the general section, you need to scroll further down and select transfer or reset iPhone. And after that, you simply need to tap on the reset again. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. In this menu, you can see the option labeled Reset Network Settings. Simply tap on that. And after that, enter your device passcode when prompted and then confirm the reset by tapping Reset Network Settings again. And after this, your device will restart. And once it's back on, try to process your payment again and see if the issue has been fixed. And with this, moving forward to the solution 3, that is to check purchase history and update billing info. If the problem still persists, here is the third and most important solution. To do that, simply open the settings app once again and tap on your Apple ID profile, and from there, you can simply scroll down and tap on media or purchase. After that, tap on View Account, and in this new section, you can simply scroll down to locate purchase history. And here, check if you have any unpaid subscriptions or pending payments. And if you find any, clear those up by paying for them or canceling them. And once you're done with that, simply go back and update your billing information. To do that, you simply have to go back to your Apple ID profile and tap on Manage Payments. And from there, you simply have to select your Apple ID name and ensure that all billings details such as the address and zip code are correct. Update any incorrect information if needed. And after that, you can simply go back and tap on Country and Region and choose Change Country or Region. And from here, you can select the country that matches your credit card. And after selecting the country, you simply have to agree to the terms by tapping Agree twice. And when prompted to choose a payment method, you can select None if you don't wish to add one right now, and fill in all the required details such as your name, address, and phone number. And you can use placeholders or generic information if you prefer. And once you're done with that, simply tap on Next and then tap on Done to save the changes. And that's it. By following these steps, your payment method issue should be resolved and you will be able to make purchase again without any problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.